Morning everybody, Richard Strang from the UK. This morning's video, I'm just going to go over using an exchange I've been basically using since I started with crypto called Bittrex. I've had quite a few requests on how to sign up to Bittrex and how to get your altcoins. It's very similar to the video I've done recently with Binance. Most of these exchanges are laid out in a specific way, but I'll go through it. So there's the Bittrex main page. My links below is a referral link if you want to use that. Entirely up to you though, but make sure if you are signing up to Bittrex it is the genuine site and not a phishing site. As we know, there's many phishing sites out there. Once you've signed up, bookmark that page, because I say it's very important because there are many phishing sites out there, and obviously that would be an absolute disaster. So once you've done that, you sign up, top right hand corner, your email, very strong password. You'll then get an email verification request. Verify your email, and then this is under the my account bit. Obviously I've got the 2FA enabled. Obviously I'm not going to disable it, it stays there, but you've got the left hand side, it's got your my account. Do your profile, do your identity verification. I'd say the whole sign up process of Bittrex takes, I don't know, 10 minutes, something like that. Once your account's verified, then go and use it and add some cryptos or deposit using fiat. You can get your favourite altcoins, or you might just want to stick with the big ones, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, etc. Entirely up to you. So you've got your My Activity. Going quickly off the site a minute, I do follow Bittrex on Twitter. You can see there it's got 777,000 followers. It's actually been on it's been on Twitter over 6 years now. I follow this all the time. The states there, they've got their own mobile app now, which is obviously great. And I do actually use that, and I must admit it's very, very good. So just follow them on Twitter. It gives you latest updates and new projects being launched, and it goes through the general development and the updates. So going back to the actual Bittrex site, global.bittrex.com, on the top right hand side you've got your account, you log out, your holdings, your orders, your open and closed orders, your markets, which we'll go through in a minute, and your discover. And this is discover section. It basically gives you a guide on creating a Bittrex global account. Gives you general news and updates, and also got a section there topping up your account using a Visa debit or credit card. So it gives you many reasons to visit this page often, just to see the latest updates on Bittrex. And you scroll down, it's also got the team, Tom Albright, the CEO. Part of the partnership was actually two old Microsoft security experts, and have been in Bittrex since it started. So it's all part of an excellent project. It's been going a long, long time. And I remember going to it when I first got involved with it, back in 2016, I joined Coinbase, that I've mentioned before. Got the big coins, and I thought, I want to get some altcoins. And obviously Coinbase was very limited then, so I joined Bittrex, and I've been with them since late 2016. I've used them ever since, no issues whatsoever. It was a minefield when you're fresh into cryptos. You look at the markets and you look at the dashboard, think, how do I get altcoins using this page? So I'll go through that in a minute, but it's very straightforward. I say it's very similar to the Binance video I did recently. I have quite a few favourite exchanges: Binance, Bittrex, KU Coin, Huobi. I have many I use, and I do have my ones I prefer, and this is definitely one of them. So again, that's on the main page. Discover. Go through markets in a minute. I'll just go quick digress again. It's been baffling me for ages why they don't have their own token, like Binance, KU Coin, pretty much all the others. I always thought, but they are actually launching it. This was actually a news article from last month, but they still haven't launched it yet. I haven't seen anything on Twitter over the last week, so hopefully it'll be very soon. It's amazing they don't have their own token on Bittrex Global, but I say that's coming. Hopefully be able to get someone with Dixie low price, and I will personally be getting some Bittrex tokens. So I've been at so long that I really think the token will do very well long term. It has a huge community, Bittrex, so as I always say, it's been weird that it's taken this long, but again, it's up to them obviously. So I'll certainly be getting that token when it's finally released. So going back to the holdings, I say I'll draw from site and deposit all the time. I said I've gone away storing mass amounts on exchanges now, and I prefer to hold them on the actual hard wallet from the actual company. So what you do here is you can show zero balances. If you hit that, it will just go to purely ones you own. It's up to your preference, but what your best thing to do is actually just type in this. If you tap in, for instance, Bitcoin, BTC, you see I don't know much Bitcoin on here. I don't know much Bitcoin at all. But if you can, right hand side, deposit by credit debit card, you can go there and deposit if that's what you want to do. Or if you want to send Bitcoin or Ethereum from another site to use on here to trade the altcoins, then for instance Bitcoin, you hit that, you obviously BTC, Bitcoin, deposit, it'll bring up an address. Now that is your wallet address to deposit Bitcoin from, say, Coinbase, for example. That's the wallet address you'd put in Coinbase to send to Bittrex. And then within 15, 20 minutes or whatever, your Bitcoin would then be on Bittrex for you to trade and get the altcoins. So it's very straightforward. I personally have any problem using exchanges. I don't have so much on Bittrex at the moment. I just decided recently I'm going to put a lot on actual wallets from the actual crypto companies like Cardano and the Dad Dollars wallet, like your Icon wallets, etc. So again, it's entirely up to you. But always stay on Bittrex. Always make sure you have got a strong password and set the 2FA. Okay, so that's that. So once it's on there, just basically when you're actually on the markets page, again top right, you see markets. You scroll down, that's USD markets, that's your Bitcoin markets. You can see here, it's obviously got many projects and they're going by volume. That's how they sort of, they don't go by alphabetical order, it's purely on volume. You can see obviously crypto.com, Crowcoins had a massive pump lately. Every time I look at it, it's gone up a cent, it seems, you know. It actually went to the top 10 yesterday, overtook ADA briefly. But you can scroll down the bottom here and you can see the amount of Bitcoin trading pairs there is, the amount of coins on Bittrex is incredible. So also scroll down, there's the Ethereum markets. Again, many, you can see here, many Ethereum markets, deposit Ethereum, USDT markets, and the Euro market. So you can see also here, when you go next to like USDT markets, total volume, obviously a lot, Ethereum markets, total volume, BTC markets as well. So it's a lot of volume there of BTC used, 676 Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. So, for example, as I always state, do your own due diligence, choose your own altcoins. I say many on here. It's very rare you won't find a coin on Bittrex. That's what I like about it so much. So for example, even though I can see ADA's there, for example, put in here whatever the code is for the coin. So let's say ADA, it will just narrow it down to BDC ADA. Let's put in one of my favourite privacy coins, Particle. There you go, BTC Particle. Then you'd hit that. So, for the sake of this video, I'm going to buy some more ADA, my favourite. So you basically, there, narrowed it down, so you hit BTC ADA. Eventually the page comes up. Now, if you're new to crypto, this page looks overwhelming. This is like, wow, what does all this mean? Now, just to buy the altcoins, I wouldn't worry too much about the charts and the trading side of it. If you go across to your left, you can see there, because I selected ADA, it's there, ADA BTC. And it's got all there, so that's all the trading pairs. But if I narrow it down to BTC, there's all the trading pairs with BTC. Now again, you can see the sheer amount of different coins on here. It's amazing how many coins are listed on Bittrex. Okay, Ethereum, again, many projects on here, and also got Euro, USD, USDT, your Tether. So again, let's see, can I get ADA using Ethereum? Yes, you can. Okay. But I always sort of tend to trade with Bitcoin. So again, even though it's selected the top ADA BTC, let me go link for another one of my favourites. See link. There you go. It's now bringing up all the BTC Chainlink trading. So let me just go back to ADA. Cardano. Like 4%. I think personally we're going to have a bit of a rise soon, but again, no guarantee. Pretty because the summit's coming up. I think we can get some big announcements. Anyway, that's me going off tandem. But okay, so you go. So that's the left side. So we know we're definitely on BTC ADA. Go to here now. When you put in the quantity, you can do bid here. Now you can go the last trade in there and copy and paste it into there. But I tend to do it the quicker way. Just ask. And now up here. So this is the comparison of the BTC ADA price. So quantity. How much of my Bitcoin do I want to use to buy ADA? 25% of my Bitcoin holders will give me just 79 ADA. 50%, obviously double, you know, it would be 159, 75, 100%. So 100% of my Bitcoin I've got on Bittrex, I'm used to buy ADA, so give me 318. Now I say you can go down here and select them and put them in there, but I just do the ask bit, and then I just do, and then just it's basically all set up. And this is the quick way. There's obviously many others. You can have stop future markets. It all depends how long you want to wait for. I personally just like to trade it and get the coin there and then. So this is the way I do it. Place, buy, order, ADA. You get to the next page. Just to confirm this is what you want. This is your Bitcoin price, what it's going to cost you to get your ADA. This is how much ADA I get. Confirm buy order. Down the left-hand side, your buy order 318 has been placed, and it's already been filled. So I've already got that 318 ADA. That's how easy it is. Okay, it's very easy. But I say you've got to obviously deposit Bitcoin on there if you're new to it. So you either send it your Bitcoin from another site or Ethereum, for instance, or you just buy direct on Bittrex.com with your debit or credit card. Very easy, but if you're new to cryptos, it's still a bit daunting. So any questions, email me info@cryptostrang.com. I help any way I can. I say, as I know, there's always a question or something I haven't covered in here where you think, oh, how do you do this and how do you do that? That's fine. I'll send you a screenshot, step-by-step guide. So the links below if you can join Bittrex, entirely up to you. Just quickly go over coin market cap. It lists all the exchanges and their volume. Basically, you can see that's a lot of volume in the last 24 hours. Just over 34 million. 3,574 Bitcoin was actually trading on all the different trading pairs. So I personally love Bittrex. So I've been on it. End of this year, it'll be 4 years on Bittrex. Never had any issues. The customer support is brilliant. Just set your strong password, get your 2FA, and that's it. Anyone need any help, let me know. I'm here to help. Thanks very much. Do another video soon. Cheers. Bye.